Hi, class. This is Mr. Reyes once again demonstrating part 2 of our assignment today on August 28th. So, we are asked to add and subtract fractions. Should be a review. If for those of you who are not comfortable, that's why I have this video. So, first of all, what we need to do is the same thing we did in the last assignment. Find the least common multiple of 20 and 8. Okay, so I will start counting by 8s and then counting by 20s as well until I get to a number that lines up. So 8, 16, oh, it looks a little small, but I think you can still see it. 24, 32, and then 40. And just knowing my multiplication in my head, I think that's as far as we're going to need to go. Multiply 20 by 2, and we have 40. So what that means is we have multiplied this denominator by 2, so you can see right here, and we've multiplied this denominator by 5. What we're going to need to do is multiply the numerators by the same number. 17 times 2 is going to be, 34. So this turns into 34. We're going to pretend like there's an invisible fraction line right there. 34 over 40. And then all of that is going to be minus let's see. So 5, as we're multiplying 8 by 5 to get 40, we need to multiply 5 by 5 to get 25. And then we are using 40 on the bottom. Also, you need those common denominators to be able to add or subtract those fractions. So draw a little line there so it makes more sense to you. Of course, you don't have to do this on the computer. You can if you really want to, but I suggest you write all this stuff on your own scratch paper, not on the computer. So now all we need to do, since we have a common denominator, is subtract these two from each other. And I can tell you really quickly, 34 minus 25 is 9. So we're going to end up with 9/40. That will be the answer for this one. All right, please let me know if you have more questions. I am here to help you. That's why I post these videos in class, so that those of you who don't need questions can go on more quickly. Those of you who do can ask me.